What if we told you that Kevin O'Leary's journey to $5 billion wasn't built on luck or inheritance, but on three specific principles that any business owner can implement starting today? The man they call Mr. Wonderful didn't just stumble into wealth. He cracked a code that most entrepreneurs never discover, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to apply his blueprint to transform your own business. Kevin O'Leary didn't start with billions. He started with student loans and a burning desire to never work for anyone else again. But what separated him from the thousands of other entrepreneurs who dream big but never break through wasn't his personality or his connections. It was his ruthless commitment to three fundamental principles that we're about to break down for you. Before we dive into these game-changing strategies, smash that like button if you're ready to stop letting your business run you and start running your business like the CEO you were meant to be. And make sure to subscribe because we're constantly sharing the insider secrets that successful entrepreneurs use to build wealth and freedom. The first principle that catapulted O'Leary to billionaire status is what he calls ruthless efficiency in operations. Most business owners get trapped in the day-to-day grind, constantly putting out fires instead of building systems. O'Leary learned early that every minute spent on tasks that could be systematized or delegated was a minute stolen from growth and strategy. Think about a company like Domino's Pizza. They didn't become a global powerhouse because they made the best pizza. They succeeded because they created systems so efficient that anyone could replicate their process anywhere in the world. Their 30-minute delivery promise wasn't just marketing. It was a systematic approach to operations that eliminated waste and maximized profit. O'Leary applies the same thinking to every business he touches. When he evaluates companies on Shark Tank, he's not just looking at current revenue. He's examining whether the business has systems that can scale without the owner being involved in every decision. Can this business run without its founder being there 16 hours a day? If the answer is no, O'Leary typically walks away. Consider how companies like Subway grew to over 40,000 locations worldwide. They didn't do it by having the founder personally manage each store. They created detailed operations manuals, training systems, and quality controls that allowed ordinary people to run successful locations. Every sandwich was made the same way, every customer interaction followed a script, and every financial process was standardized. The second principle that built O'Leary's empire is his obsession with numbers and data-driven decision-making. While other entrepreneurs make decisions based on gut feelings or emotions, O'Leary treats every business decision like a mathematical equation. He's famous for saying that numbers don't lie and emotions have no place in business strategy. This approach saved him millions of dollars over his career. When other investors were getting swept up in dot-com mania, O'Leary was analyzing cash flows and profit margins. While competitors were chasing trends, he was studying customer acquisition costs and lifetime value metrics. His ability to stay cold and analytical, while others got emotional, gave him a massive competitive advantage. Look at companies like Costco. Their entire business model is built on razor-thin margins and data-driven inventory management. They know exactly how much profit they make on every item, how quickly products turn over, and what their customer acquisition and retention costs are. This obsession with numbers allows them to offer lower prices than competitors while still maintaining healthy profitability. Netflix provides another perfect example. They don't greenlight shows based on what executives think audiences might like. They analyze viewing patterns, completion rates, and user behavior data to make programming decisions. This data-driven approach helped them transition from DVD rentals to streaming to content creation, staying ahead of market changes that destroyed competitors like Blockbuster. O'Leary implemented similar systems in his own companies. He tracked key performance indicators obsessively, automated financial reporting, and made sure every department understood their numbers. This allowed him to spot problems early and capitalize on opportunities that others missed because they weren't paying attention to the data. The third and perhaps most crucial principle is O'Leary's focus on building multiple revenue streams within each business. While most entrepreneurs put all their energy into one product or service, O'Leary always looks for ways to monetize different aspects of the same customer relationship. This approach not only increases profitability, but also provides protection against market downturns. Take a company like Disney. They don't just make movies. They create characters that become merchandise, theme park attractions, licensing deals, and streaming content. One successful animated film can generate revenue for decades through multiple channels. This diversification strategy has made Disney one of the most valuable entertainment companies in the world. Similarly, companies like John Deere don't just sell tractors. They offer financing, insurance, maintenance contracts, parts, and now even data analytics services to farmers. Each customer relationship generates multiple revenue streams, increasing both profitability and customer loyalty. O'Leary applied this thinking throughout his career. His software company didn't just sell software licenses, they offered training, consulting, support contracts, and custom development services. Each customer became a source of recurring revenue through multiple touchpoints. Here's where most business owners go wrong. They focus on finding new customers instead of maximizing the value of existing relationships. O'Leary understood that it costs 5 to 10 times more to acquire a new customer than to sell additional products or services to an existing one. By developing multiple revenue streams, he could dramatically increase the lifetime value of each customer while reducing his dependence on constant new customer acquisition. Speaking of maximizing value, we've created a free checklist that will help you start to fix your business today. This 15-minute assessment can save you 10 or more hours per week, starting by showing you the tasks others can do for you. The link is in the description below, and it's completely free. But multiple revenue streams only work if you have the systems and data analysis we discussed earlier. Without efficient operations, adding new products or services just creates more complexity and chaos. Without proper metrics, you can't tell which revenue streams are actually profitable and which ones are draining resources. This is why O'Leary's approach is so powerful. These 3 principles work together synergistically. Efficient systems give you the bandwidth to analyze data properly. Data analysis reveals opportunities for new revenue streams. Multiple revenue streams provide the cash flow to invest in better systems and more sophisticated analytics. The compound effect of implementing all 3 principles simultaneously is what separates billionaire-level success from small business survival mode. Most entrepreneurs implement 1 or maybe 2 of these principles, but they never achieve the exponential growth that comes from combining all 3. Consider how companies like Microsoft have applied this blueprint. They systematize software development and distribution, use data to understand customer needs and market trends, and built multiple revenue streams around their core products. Office Suite became Office 365, which became part of a broader ecosystem including cloud services, gaming, hardware, and business solutions. The beauty of O'Leary's approach is that it's scalable. Whether you're running a local service business or building the next unicorn startup, these principles work at every level. A local landscaping company can systematize their operations, track customer profitability data, and add services like snow removal, irrigation, or landscape design to increase revenue per customer. A consulting firm can create standardized processes for client onboarding, analyze which services generate the highest margins, and develop additional offerings like training programs, software tools, or certification courses that provide recurring revenue. The key is starting where you are and implementing these principles step by step. You don't need to overhaul your entire business overnight. Begin by documenting and systematizing 1 key process. Start tracking 1 important metric that you've been ignoring. Identify 1 additional way to serve your existing customers. O'Leary's $5 billion success didn't happen because he had access to secret information or special advantages. It happened because he consistently applied these 3 principles with discipline and focus. While other entrepreneurs got distracted by shiny objects or emotional decisions, he stayed committed to building efficient systems, making data-driven decisions, and maximizing revenue from every customer relationship. The entrepreneurs who achieve lasting success understand that business growth isn't about working harder or finding magic bullets. It's about implementing proven systems and principles consistently over time. O'Leary's blueprint provides a clear path from where you are now to where you want to be. If you're ready to stop being trapped in your business and start building the kind of systematic success that O'Leary achieved, we've created a comprehensive course that shows you exactly how to implement these principles in your own company. This isn't theory or motivation. It's a step-by-step system that walks you through building the operations, analytics, and revenue diversification strategies that successful entrepreneurs use to create wealth and freedom. You can access more information about the course by clicking the next video or the link in the description. The course introduction is completely free with no credit card required, so you can see exactly what we cover and how it applies to your specific situation. Don't let another year pass watching your business control your life instead of serving your goals. Click the link below to access the free course introduction and start building the business you always envisioned. And we'll see you in the next video.